The Fox 54 Tower Cam Network, brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
Happy Saturday evening. I hope you guys had a great day today. It was nice and hot. The sun felt great as well, and temperatures are just now starting to cool off here at 10:15 p.m. Here's a look at the temperatures. We have 77 towards Thompson, 77 in Augusta, 73 in Sylvania, 75 in Edgefield, and 77 degrees in Macon for tonight. We're dropping down to those low 60s. We have a low of 63 degrees when you wake up for tomorrow morning. A very mild evening. Winds out of the southeast, very calm between 5 and 10 miles an hour. And going into tomorrow, it's going to be another warm day. This is the first day or the day of a drive, chip, and putt. So tomorrow morning, 88 degrees. It's going to be a pleasant morning, sun and clouds in the area. By the time we get to the evening, a little bit of a different look. We're going to have moderate rain starting to begin. Temperature overnight of 62 degrees. Under cloudy skies. So what we're going to see is a little bit of rainfall heading into your late Sunday evening. This is mainly going to be starting as soon as 6 p.m. for some of those northeastern counties, including McCormick, over towards Wilkes, and even down towards Glasscock could start to see this overnight. The big heavy rain really starts for your Monday morning. You can see it here. We get those northeastern counties getting a good soaking rain by about 5 a.m. By the time we get to 8 a.m., that's when it gets to Augusta, Richmond County, over towards Barnwell, Waynesboro, Millen, and this is a pretty slow moving system as well. So this cold front coming in slow, that's going to give a good soaking rain, widespread rain, pretty much anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain is what we can expect as we head through the rest of your Monday. This goes until about 10 or 11 p.m. So the entire day, just note that it is going to be on the rainy side. In terms of how much rainfall, really just depends on where you're at for Monday. So we have 3.5 inches towards Thompson. We got about 2.5 inches for Gibson, 1.3 for Waynesboro, about 1.5 inches for Augusta as well. But if you note down for some of those southern counties, just over 1 inch, especially for Bamberg. So some of the impacts with this type of weather system is we're mainly going to be monitoring the flash flooding. That's going to be our primary concern as we head into the rest of the rest of the weekend and to the first of the week. So 75 for your Monday, 90% chance of showers, as well as that flash flooding is a potential. So I just want you guys to stay weather aware for both Sunday and Monday. Keep in mind, most of that potential will be sticking up to north of the Interstate 20. We do have a major cool down on the way from the 90s down to the upper 60s, 67 degrees for Wednesday, 74 for Thursday, going into Friday with a little bit of showers in the forecast there. 74 degrees for the high and 72 for next Saturday. We'll be right back after this break.